How to apply for a UK student visa, the step-by-step guide. First thing first, if your course is longer than 6 months, you will need a student route visa. Think of it like your passport to academic awesomeness, but it's not free. Prepare to shell out $490. Now, if you are feeling impatient and want your visa fast, there is a priority and super priority service, but that comes with an extra cost. Now let's crack the visa code. I have got a step-by-step guide waiting just for you. Step 1. University applications. First thing first, you gotta find your dream uni. Apply to your chosen university or even a few if you're not sure yet and snag that unconditional offer. This is like your golden ticket to UK academic awesomeness. Step 2. Get your CAS. Once you have got that offer and said yes please, your university will send you a special document called a Certificate of Acceptance of Studies. Think of it as your official invitation to the UK student party. It'll cost you a little bit, like around $25, but hey, it's worth it for the memories, right? Step 3. Apply for your visa. Now that you have got your CAS, it's time to make your visa dreams a reality. You can apply up to 6 months before your course starts, so no need to rush unless you are a total procrastinator. We have all been there. Just be prepared to pay the application fee, that is $490 for students, and dust off that trusty passport. Step 4. Pay the immigration health surcharge. Remember that health insurance? In the UK, it's called the immigration health surcharge and it covers your healthcare needs while you are a student. If you will be studying for more than 6 months, it's like your ticket to NHS paradise. Now, the price depends on how long you'll be there. Think of it like a buffet. 1 year gets you the full $470 per year's plate, while shorter stays are smaller plates. A master's student pays a bit extra because, well, more study means more NHS goodness. But don't worry, a handy fee calculator on the UKVI website will tell you exactly how much to bring to the party. Step 5. Prove your English prowess. As part of your student visa application, you may need to prove your knowledge of the English language. Different universities have different requirements, so check what form of English language evidence you will need with your university. Step 6. Submit your application before takeoff. This one's crucial. Don't wait until you are sipping tea at Heathrow to complete your visa application. Get it all sorted before you even book your flight. Think of it like packing your bags. The earlier you start, the smoother the journey. So there you have it, the 6 vital steps to securing your UK student visa. Remember, with a little planning and this handy guide, you'll be navigating the visa maze like a pro and chowing down on academic success in no time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more study abroad tips and tricks, and let's make your UK study dreams a reality.
Studyinfocenter.com. Plan your better career from here.